Okay, I'm about to go over the Unit 11 formative assessment for geometry. Number 1 says, what's the area of the trapezoid? Well, let me go ahead before I even start and write the formula. So the area is 1/2 base times the height. I'm going to throw the height in first, and the base is base 1 plus base 2. So really, it's the average of the two bases times the height. So let's see. If I put those numbers in, the height is 8.2. and base 1 and base 2 are 9.7 and 3.9. Now the directions say round your answer to the nearest tenth, and this is checking to make sure you know how to round. When you do this, if you put this in the calculator correctly and you follow order operations, you should get 55.76. However, the question says please round to the nearest tenth. So you look at, here's the tenths place, the 7, but the number after the 7 is higher than a 5, right? 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 below, let it go. So we're going to round that 7 up to an 8. So this is 55.8. Number 2. What is the area of the parallelogram? Well, that's just base times height. That's just 11 times 4.1, and when you do that, you get 45.1, which is already tenths, so you don't have to worry about rounding. Number 2, area of a triangle, area equals 1/2. There we go, 1/2 the base times the height. The area we're given is 15 centimeters squared, equals 1/2 base, we don't know, times the height, which is 6. Half of 6 is 3, so I'm going to rewrite this equation as 3b, because that's just 1/2 times 6, or 6 divided by 2, however you want to look at it. Now when I divide both sides by 3 and isolate my b, I get b is 5. Is that it? That's it. Peace out.